Hi, I'm Robert at Culligan.
And I'm Jeff. Today we're going to talk about how to change the filters on your reverse osmosis system.
So, how often do you change the filters on your RO?
Well, Robert, for the Culligan Aqua RO, filters typically last 1 year or 1,000 gallons. There is also an option to get filters that last 2 years or 2,000 gallons.
Filter life can vary based on factors like having a bigger family that uses more water, or if you have high amounts of sediment, chlorine, iron, and other minerals in your water. If you have a Culligan Aqua Smart RO, you can check your filter life right from your faucet or on your phone with the Culligan Connect app. So Jeff, what would you say is the easiest way to change your RO filters?
That's simple. Call your local Culligan professional. They can take care of everything for you. We'll show you what the process looks like.
The first thing your technician typically will do is test your water to see if your RO membrane needs to be changed. If it does, they will take care of this when they're changing the other filters. Turning off the water and shutting off the RO tank is usually the next step. They'll also open the faucet to release the pressure. When the filters are changed, it's a good time to have your system sanitized as well. There's a multi-step process in which a sanitization solution is run through the system.
Next, it's time to change the filters. For our Aqua RO systems, the new filters should be flushed before they're used. This can be done ahead of time or inside the system once they're installed. Why don't you show them what's next, Robert?
Your technician will take off the front cover and take out the old filter. Then they will put in the new filter. Here's what it looks like again. Once all your filters are changed, your technician will turn the system and your water back on and pressurize the system.
We'll also check the air pressure in the tank, check for leaks, and make sure the water is flowing as it should. That will also remove any air that's gotten into the system, which is normal during a filter change. It's a good time to flush your tank once or twice after the filter change as well. Once it's done, the filter life on your system will need to be reset so you can continue to get filter change alerts.
As for your RO membrane, that should be checked yearly and replaced every 3 to 5 years, though in some cases it could last longer. Your water usage, water pressure, and water conditions like high TDS, hard water, and other factors can definitely impact how long your membrane lasts.
If you have questions or want to schedule a filter change for your RO, you know who to call, your local Culligan professional.
Thanks for watching.